This is an action video camera accessory. Let's get a nice close-up look at what we get inside. This is a double clamp. It rotates 180 degrees, just like so. So it rotates from this side to this side. Now you could place this on anything that is pole related, pole to pole, and then you could take the clamp and you can spin it around as well. So you have many different ways of placing this on. If I want to attach this to a desk to hold something, I crank down, then I have my pole ready to hold. If I needed to hold a camera like so, I would place in nice and gentle, don't squeeze super hard. And then I'm able to rotate this the way I want and do a selfie hands-free. If I needed to clamp a pole, this is about a 3/4 pole, which is the maximum this will open. I'm able to clamp down, loosen this up, and adjust it to the height I want and place another pole on. You take any type of poles, large or small, and you can adjust it to any diameter you want, up to 3/4, down to a small pole, and this will hold it just fine, doing the work that you need to do. Tighten everything up nice and tight, and this will hold those poles. If you're looking for a double clamp to clamp on to anywhere that's imaginable for your video camera gear, this product may be just right for you.